again. It's a rich thing.
So I'm at Thunderbird Park Conservation, I believe, y'all. And I am surrounded by hella mountains. And yeah, I got stood up, so I'm by myself over here. I'm not even mad because this place is so beautiful. And there's people riding in horses. Sorry, y'all, I did quite a bit of traveling, so I'm out of breath. But man, this place is beautiful. I'm so happy right now. So no headphones in, like we're just zenning out today. Peace. So this is probably the closest I've been to being on a cliff, y'all. Like, this is crazy because one wrong move, you can go downhill, even though I'm over here recording. All right, let me go for these bugs attack me. This is my first official hike on the top of a mountain, and I'm really excited, y'all, because I made it to the freaking top by myself. I'm so excited. All right, take two. As I am finding my way towards my car, let's have a conversation. Ooh. Let's talk about breaking through barriers, breaking through obstacles, completing goals, like bucket list goals for yourself. I'm at a point in my life, I'm not afraid to go anywhere by myself. I will show the fuck up for myself. And I'm so proud of me because that has been a barrier that I have carried so long. Like, I would not go somewhere by myself. Sometimes I would, but I wouldn't all the time. And these horses like following me, but they're really awesome. And I'm just really proud of that. Like, you know, I could have turned around and left when, you know, my plans to join somebody at this park didn't go as planned. But I made it, and not only did I make it to my first top of my mountain, but I did it by myself, right? I did it by myself. I was so proud of myself, talking to strangers, saying good morning. Like, I'm just so happy. And my car is still not. Man, I didn't record that whole thing. Hold up, let me do this again.
Oh, baby. Oh. Good girl. There you go.
Hey, you're okay.
Here, come here, baby.
You're okay.
Here, you want a peppermint? Here. Here's peppermint.
Look at this. I didn't even know horses like peppermint.
She loves peppermint.
Ooh, refreshing. You got a nice breath for me?
Yeah. Mom.
You know us women, we got to stay fresh minted.
Right, fresh and minty.
Beautiful. Well, you have a good day. Hello,
You
Dolly.
too.
All right, you have a good day as well, man. I also want to say how I have been breaking through barriers as far as, like, you know, trying different spontaneous things. Like I have a appointment to go kayaking with the lady this week, and I'm like super excited because I've always wanted to go kayaking, and I've actually been thinking about kayaking, and then all of a sudden, you know, I'm being invited and asked to go. So super exciting. And like I wanted to climb a mountain for the first time, and I actually did it. So things are like happening, yo, and I'm so motivated to. I've been doing my exercises twice a week, been doing my yoga, been just like showing up for myself, having self-development sessions for myself to do better, get my brain stronger, well, because y'all, Don't Hurt Me by Goggins, that book is amazing. Like, that book is a game changer, especially for somebody who lives in their freaking head all the time. Like, if you live in your head, he has so much words and different approaches and thoughts, opinions to really reflect on, and I'm here for it. I really am here for it. There are a lot of military stuff listed in the book, so be aware of that, but it was pretty freaking good. The book was very visual, so he used a lot of words where you can really imagine and picture that stuff happening in front of you and understand what he was feeling at those times. So that book is awesome, and hopefully it will encourage me, and I can encourage myself to continue on the path that I am on, because I've been doing hella good out here, and I'm just so excited and blessed. So, can y'all see that parking lot? There's a parking lot right there. I'm pretty sure that's where my car is at. I have been walking for so long. So we will check in. My car wasn't even over here, y'all. I forgot I cut through here. So my car is down there. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. I am so freaking crazy and like the worst when it comes to any type of direction. I'm just glad that I'm back here. I could sit down and relax now. I know I shouldn't be in here because there's all kind of stuff, but like, look at this little cocoon. It's like a little cocoon. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm in a little fairy tale. I'm in a little fairy tale, a little hut. This is so cute. Okay. Alright. Y'all, I look like Indiana Jones. If she were a woman. A melanated woman. Alright, let me get out of here. Something pop out. But there are little lizards crawling around. Alright, here we go. Oh. Fucking made it, man. Whew, I made it. Alright. So this is pretty gross, but like, your girl sweated. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. I have no idea what my shirt looks like, but I'm pretty sure it's drenched. Oh, yeah. Make sure there's no bugs before I have a seat down here. Oh. So, what a freaking journey, man. What a journey. I actually have to do some stretching. So y'all, I'm down here and I just smelled my shirt, and I thought the ground was smelling bad first, and then I smelled my shirt, y'all. I stink like really bad. So yeah, I never smelled this bad in my life. Like, where when you sniff, your nose burns. That's how bad it is, y'all. I don't know what came out of my body today as far as sweat, but so what sucks about being in all this nature is that in order for me to get back home, I have about a 45-minute drive back, and it's gonna be traffic because I'm in Arizona and there's just a lot of people here. But this is definitely a place I will come back to, as long as I can find my way back to the car. But I just want to say, like, life is about the experiences. Like, I know we all get caught up with the money and paying bills and stuff like that, but what are you doing on your off days? Like, are you unwinding? Are you, you know, doing something for yourself? Are you getting up early during work days and trying to manage time to fit in something that you love to do? Because at the end of the day, as time passes by and you've been working your whole life, like, what are you going to look back on? Like, I know if you have a family, you know, you're going to look back on spending time with them, but, like, what else did you do? Yeah, I just heard, like, a really weird noise. Like, a really weird, like, ghost noise. Could have been some type of, like, animal or something. I don't know. But I feel really good, pumped up. I'm definitely going to, my goal is to edit this video today and get it uploaded by tomorrow. So that is my goal. So let's get it.